Art history is the epic story of humans showing off their creativity for millennia. From cave drawings to digital creations, it's like humanity's highlight reel. Let's take a quick tour through the major art eras. Get ready for a fun ride. Way back, like 40,000 years ago, people were already artists. In caves like Lascaux, France, they painted animals and hunting scenes. No smartphones, so they used walls to share stories or maybe connect with the spiritual side. Think of it as the world's first art gallery, raw and unfiltered. Fast forward to ancient civilizations. Egyptians were all about the afterlife, painting pharaohs and gods with hieroglyphs, basically ancient emojis. Greeks sculpted perfect statues like the Discobolus, showing off their love for idealized bodies. Romans admired the Greeks, added super-realistic portraits, and built the Colosseum for epic events. Art was their way of saying, we're kind of big deal. The Middle Ages, 500 to 1400 AD, were super focused on religion. Christian art ruled with glowing stained glass and detailed icons. Byzantine mosaics sparkled like nobody's business. Monks hand-illustrated books like the ultimate craft project. Meanwhile, Islamic art brought intricate patterns and calligraphy that didn't need faces to stun. By the 1400s, Europe hit a major comeback, the Renaissance. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo were superstars. Mona Lisa's sly smile, total mystery vibes. David's statue, abs for days. They nailed perspective, making art look 3D. It was all about celebrating humans, not just religion. Art and science teamed up for a masterpiece moment. In the 1600s, Baroque art brought the drama. Caravaggio's lighting was like a Hollywood blockbuster. The 1700s Rococo style, over the top with pastel colors and fancy vibes. By the 1800s, Romanticism took over, with artists like Turner were capturing raw emotions and nature's power. Art went from polite to passionate. The 19th and 20th centuries, art got wild. Impressionists like Monet painted dreamy, colorful scenes. Think blurry vacation pics, but artsy. Picasso's Cubism broke faces into puzzle pieces. Dali's surreal melting clocks were straight up weird in the best way. Warhol's pop art, like his soup cans, poked fun at consumer culture. Modern art was all about breaking rules. Today, art's everywhere. Street murals, digital designs, even NFTs. Banksy shredded his painting Girl with Balloon as a deliberate act of performance art, aimed at critiquing the art market's obsession with value and celebrity. He installed a hidden shredder in the frame of the painting, which automatically shredded the artwork after it was sold at auction for $1,327,826.92. Yayoi Kusuma's polka dots? Mesmerizing. Art history's an incredible journey, from ancient caves to modern screens. It's humans telling their story through colors, shapes, and ideas.